Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss our fifth question. What is that? Is it possible to construct a rectangular park with the dimensions that are given that perimeter is equals to 80 meters and area will be equal to 400 meter squares? So we need to find what is its length and breadth. So let's going to take what is its length. Let's going to take length will be small l and breadth will be equal to x. So what is that? So we need to find what is the length and breadth for this given rectangular park. So first one, let's going to take that area of rectangle. Area will be equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth. So what is its length and what is its breadth? So perimeter will be equal to, what is that? Perimeter will be equal to 2 into L plus B. So for this, area will be equal to 400. Then from this you can take, from 400 you can take anything as a common. Let's going to take L will be equal to 400 by B, and let's take this is equation 1. Then substitute equation 1 in perimeter formula. So that is perimeter will be equal to, what is that? 80. So let's going to take 2 into L plus B, that will be equal to 80. Then 2 into L is equals to what? 400 by B plus B, that will be equal to 80. So let's going to take this 2 to the right side, that is 400 by B plus B will be equal to 80 by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 40s are. So what is this value? So this one 400, let's going to take LCM, that is 400 plus B into B. So let's going to take the LCM. So denominator will get B and this is B square, that will be equal to 40. So what value we will get it here? So let's going to take this one. So 400 plus B square plus 40B, equal to 40B. So equal to 40B. So this B we are shift to the right side. Then what we will get? B square. So shift 40B minus 40B plus 400 will be equal to 0. So this is the format of ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. A will be equal to, here 1 is there. Then b will be equal to minus 40. Then c will be equal to 400. So this is the value. Then what are the roots? So if you can take here b square minus 4 is discriminant. After that we can calculate it as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Like that also we can take. So roots are minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let's going to take minus b means minus of minus 40 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, that is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into a into 1 into 400 whole divided by 2 into a is nothing but 1. So minus into minus will become plus. So 40 plus or minus square root of 40 square is nothing but, what is that? So 4 4s are 16 and double 0 minus 4 4s are 16. What we are getting? 4 4s are 16 and double 0. Then by 2. So we will get here 600. So 40 plus or minus square root of 0 by 2. Then what value? 40 by 2. So we are getting 40. 2 1s are, then 2 20s are. So what answer we are getting? 20. So these are the roots, 20. That means we are calculated a. So here what is this? X. So this is in the format of b. So it is in the expression as here x is equals to b. So what answer we are getting? So b will be equal to 20. B will be equal to 20. That is b is nothing but, here b it is in the breadth. So it is breadth. Breadth b will be equal to 20 meters. Then what is its length? The length will be equal to length 400 by 20. Then here 0 0 will cancel, 2 1s are, then 2 20s are. So L will be equal to 20 meters. Yes, it is possible. So here discriminant is 0, that is here discriminant d b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. That means it will have two identical roots. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.